that you cover a lot of different diverse markets. How has design and the technology played into um, keeping your brand consistent across these diverse markets that you have?
Yeah, I mean, we have different go-to-market strategies in every market. However, we want, regardless of the go-to-market strategy, when our customers come into the branch, they've made an educated choice. They know they have multiple choices in how they engage with us. And so regardless of where they are in that digital journey, we want to meet them where they are. So if they're coming in and they are very knowledgeable on all our digital channels, then we'll help them either progress, or if it's for problem solving, whatever it is, we're gonna help them and advise them. But then we have customers that have been with us a really long time, and they're all about the people in the branch. And we still wanna meet them where they are. So sometimes digital and that journey isn't necessarily to say, hey, let me show you, or we want you to bank a different way. It's helping them become comfortable and trusting us in that journey, and then our customers trusting them in that journey. So it's, I mean, you'll probably hear me say this multiple times, but it's really about giving the customer choices, meeting them where they are, and then building the confidence with our team members. They talked about it earlier, so that they don't feel that it's like a competition, that it is complementary, it's a tool, it's a resource, and really aligning all of that so the customer wins, our team wins, and then when they're winning, the bank is winning.
It's fantastic. Thank you for sharing that. Reminds me, going out visiting branches is part of our role as a partner in design and technology and the people and processes, just really understanding current state for institutions, where they're at today, and then more importantly, where they want to go into the future.